Today is the day we do 3 things. We clean up that area, we reorganize the bookshelf, which includes that bookshelf, and we're going to do TBR transparency. This is my TBR jar. A little mailbox. You can put the flag up. Isn't it cute? Okay, we're going to see if we can get this microphone working. Can't tell if it's recording or not. Are we now coming out of here? Is that what's happening? Okay, here we go. Actually, I need to get a knife. Got it. And don't judge my PJ pants. It is a work from home day. I need to move. Sunrise, bend the forks. Smash the bottles and burn the corks.
Oh, from the shelves. Fresh. Stick. Home defense. Understood. But if you need this, you can have one of this. Anyway. In case I need to refer back to this video, B is littler, A is longer. Here's my thing. Got it? No big worry. We just have to work to good step. Undoing the one step we had done. Also my brother. Wait, let's do Lucy. Righty tighty. I need to go this way. Not it. Some women were just not made to sit on the floor. Let's put you over there. We're all going different directions. Zoom in. The noises are insane. Something not database. So here's what just happened. You can see where curious. My mic's still on. No, it's still on my body. Anyway, these pieces have indentations on one side, and the stupid head that I am didn't think to look at this one. So this one, the indentation is on the wrong side. But here's the deal. If I just put it on, it'll bend a little bit, and it'll stay. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna see that bend. Here we go. This will be an adventure. Yeah. I didn't try that because I thought it would work. I tried it because I was too lazy to do it like the first time, just so you're aware I'm not dumb. I'm not doing it. But now I have to get out of this cage that I made for myself. The styrofoam. It's gonna be absolutely miserable to do this step regardless of how I do it. So I might actually put you back over there. Little room probs. My toes. I should have started at the top. I am an idiot. Oh. Ooh. Trash pile. Who needs wall mounts anyway? That's ridiculous. Wall mounts. It's a social construct. Bookshelf. Books are in the way. Alright, that is how we're gonna do with that. Is that upside down? Poor Mike's going through it. Okay.
It was at this exact moment that I muted my microphone for the rest of the video, so we're going to do a voiceover, which was not in the plan, but I'll do my best. It got way too hot, and I stated that I should have started with my hair up anyway, which was absolutely true. I took a coffee and water and cheese stick break, and I thought about the sorting because there was plenty to do. So the stacks here got a little bit crazy. As you can see, it's already beginning, and there's a really bad omen. It's about to... yeah, we'll just wait for it. Yep, here it comes. Ooh. No books were harmed in the making of this video. There was one tiny little crease, but you know what? I think we're okay. It's okay. It's fine. I just keep telling myself that every day. So the process that you just saw was that I was bringing up stacks of books to the desk, putting their titles on little scraps of paper and putting the scraps of paper inside my TBR jar. This is so that whenever I want to read a book in the future, should I ever have time for such activities again, I can just shake up my TBR jar, pick one at random, and go with that. On top of this being a lot of sorting, it was also a trip down memory lane, such as aviators. That was a weird time in my life. Anyway, quickly moving on from that, but I hope you guys enjoyed this at 100 times speed because it literally took me all day. If you want a bookshelf tour, be sure and let me know in the comments because I did not include that in this video. Haha.
I think it's been muted this whole time.
Believe it or not, I actually am a dodo brain. I recorded that entire video and totally forgot to count my TBR. So we're gonna do that now. Yes, it's a completely different day. Yes, I'm in makeup and in the same hoodie, but it's been washed. Don't look at me like that. TBR jar. Let's count, shall we? That's a lot. So these are just the books that I own and have not read. These are obviously not the books that I want to read before I die. So 62 books that I own and have not read. And that also does include, I put down series instead of actual books. So here's a great example. Instead of writing out every single Shakespeare play, which I own, that I have not read, I just wrote down Shakespeare. So I own more than that. But anyway, if you liked this janky video, subscribe for more content.